What is up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Now I know you're looking at me like Catrice. What is going on? You look so rough. I know. I have to show you my bare face. But it's okay, because today I'm going to show you guys how to prep your face for makeup. Because a lot of you guys are out there just putting makeup on, you're not prepping your face, you're not moisturizing your face, you're not taking the necessary precautions in order to have a beautiful slay. And it starts with the foundation. Okay? So the first thing, I'm going to use 3 products. Y'all know I am a girl who loves me a budget and I love to save me a few dollars. So all of my products you can find at CVS, Target, Walmart, Walgreens, drugstores. Like, you can find these at these normal retailers. So the first thing I do before I do my makeup is wash my face. Now if you haven't seen my skincare video, I will have it linked down below. So first thing you want to do is wash your face. Wash your face. Make sure you wash your face. So I've already washed my face, dried it. So right now my skin is a little dry, it needs some moisture. So the first product I use every single time is, you have to have some kind of moisturizer. Now, for those of you who don't know, I do have acne scars and everything, and I'm working on a new acne regimen. So, you know, I'll post that video when the time is right. But for now, I am currently using the Focus, the Pond's moisturizing lotion. So this one is good for like acne scars. It helps to reduce dark spots and blemishes and stuff like that. So this is phenomenal. So I'll just take a little bit of this, put it on my hand like that. A little goes a long way. And I'm just going, you know, ooh, that feels great. And I'll just rub it on my neck, on my skin. Yes. Ooh. My skin was so thirsty. Oh, yes, honey. Whew. Now I'll let that set in. Now you gotta have a good moisturizer, guys. Oh crap, my camera's dying. Sorry guys, the camera died. What was it supposed to do? My bad. Oh well. Anyway, like I said, we got our Pond's. This guy is the GOAT. I don't care how you flip-flop it or turn it, guys. This is the GOAT. Now, they do have a couple different ones. I get the pink one because, like I said, this works with my black spots and my blemishes and all that stuff. But they have another one, an age-defying one. They got a lot of different ones. But this right here is like $1.25 at Walmart. And I just get the little ones because a little goes a long way. If you want to pay, you know, $10, $15 for the big one, go right ahead. To each its own, but that's just, I just get the little one because I'm cheap. It's just a reality, but it's okay. Anyway, so the next thing I do is you gotta make sure that these lips, they luscious, baby. So I use the Vaseline chapstick. So that's what I use. But any kind of chapstick, Carmex, you know. Ooh. Feels so, ooh. The lips is luscious. But any kind of chapstick, you got to make sure that your lips are moisturized, because if you're going to put on a matte lipstick or any kind of lipstick, you want your lips themselves to be moisturized so that they don't crack. It's not cute. And the last product that I use is, I have, if anybody knows, I love Morphe products. Like, those are my products. Like, I love me some Morphe products. So right now my jam has been this guy, if it'll focus. This primer right here is like my go-to primer. So this primer, I'll put some of this on my face. Just, you know, like I say, a little goes a long way. And sometimes you can use a brush, but most of the time I'll just use my finger, just rub it in real fast. And rub it all over the places that are gonna have the foundation, and it is phenomenal. It kind of balances out my skin, equals out my skin. Put it right underneath these bags, honey. And let that sit. And now, we ready to do our makeup, honey. That's simple. Those 3 products will literally change your life. Those 3 steps right there, I'm telling you, will change your life and the way that your makeup is. And your face won't be as itchy when you do your makeup. You guys, you gotta prep your face. Okay? So wash your face. Moisturize your face. Don't forget the chapstick and find you a good primer. And you will thank me. The slays will forever be amazing. And that's it, y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to your girl. And I'll see you guys in the next video.
Vaseline color t-shirt, white, 1990.